Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the tech stack and delivering a minimum viable endpoint. Select one server language and an async runtime to keep latency low. Provision a domain, TLS cert, and static IP, then point DNS. Set up a relational DB and an event log table for impressions and clicks, and deploy a simple decision API that returns add ID and URL. Once done, run an initial smoke test to confirm network, DB, and API respond within your latency target. You implement the ad selection engine and the auction workflow. Build a rules-based selector with weights and floor price checks, then add adapters for header bidding or RTB endpoints so external buyers can participate. Implement the auction loop to collect bids, normalize values, and pick a winner in deterministic time. Make sure to cache creative metadata in an in-memory store and compress payloads to reduce bytes. As you proceed, measure P95 latency and optimize hot paths until auctions complete within your SLA. You finalize by deploying to production with blue-green or canary rollout and a load balancer. Configure auto-scale rules, health checks, and circuit breakers. Add observability, metrics for P50/P95 latency, error rate, throughput, and revenue. Validate creatives, VAS/vPaid, consent flows, and fallback ads so no blank impressions occur. If something breaks, start with replaying logs at the failing timestamp, check cache consistency, and isolate the auction path. Often a misconfigured adapter or timeout causes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.